Here at Budget Mechanic, I am always trying tools and products to see what actually works and what's worth the money for you guys. Now, let me tell you, I test a lot of stuff that is absolute junk. However, this year I found a handful of products that I actually really love. Now, this is stuff that solved real problems, saved me a bunch of time, and more importantly, didn't cost an arm and a leg. I'm sharing with you my top 5 favorite DIY products of 2025. Plus, I've got a really cool diagnostics tool that costs a little more, but you get a lot of bang for your buck, and it's essential, I think, for anyone that likes to diagnose and work on their own cars. Now, the first product is Chemical Guy's Heavy Duty Water Spot Remover. And I recently did a video comparing a whole bunch of pretty big name water spot removers, and I kind of thought the results would come out pretty similar. I was very blown away at how much better this one was. A lot of the ones, even big name brands, didn't really work that great, or the ones that also worked took a lot of scrubbing, a lot of elbow grease. This one, so simple. You just put it on, wait, rinse it off, and it works super, super good. Anyone who gets this in their stocking is going to be very stoked. And if you want to see that comparison video and how this stacked up against the other brands, we'll put a link above. The second product is the Dynaplug Tire Patch Kit. And we did a whole video on the different kits for plugging tires, like screws, nails, whatever you pick up on the highway. But I really liked this kit specifically. It inserts these little brass tipped rubber compound strips into the hole with this simple inserter. It's just super simple. Like, there's no extra tools. These little tips fit inside the handle, so you can throw this in your glove box and you're not going to lose pieces. It's not complicated. And the company actually claims that this can be a permanent fix for holes, which no other plug company that I know of claims to do that. And as you can see, I've actually been using this kit. It comes with 4 tips and I only have 1 left. Now, if you want to see me using this, comparing it to the other products, I'll put a link to that video above. It is pretty awesome. The next product is by Tough Stuff, and this is a cleaning product, and honestly, it says multi-purpose, and it's 100% true. We recently did a video where I did a car flip project on an old Hyundai that had one of the most nasty interiors I've ever seen. And I went through about 4 cans of this and used it on every surface in that car. And it really worked amazing. I loved its like foaming clingingness. Like, watch. You put it on and it just sticks and just like soaks in and marinates all the dirty spots. Pretty sure you can use it for shaving, but I haven't tried it. And it smells good. Now, there's a lot of cleaning products out there, but this guy has been around a really long time. It's tried and true, and in my opinion, still one of the best. And if you want to see that flip video where I transformed the Hyundai, we'll put a link above. Number 4, jumper cables. Now, before you roll your eyes at me, everyone knows they're supposed to have jumper cables in their car, right? But I find that nobody actually does, and I don't know why. I've gotten countless calls this year to use these suckers, and I talk to people on the phone, and I'm like, do you have jumper cables? And they're like, no, that's why I'm stranded in this parking lot. So that's why these make a great gift, because whoever you get them for probably doesn't have any, and it's going to keep them from getting stranded. Here's the thing, not all jumper cables are created equal. It's possible to buy a bad set. The mistake people make is getting jumper cables that are too short or too thin. Now, a lot of times cars get stranded, say in a parking lot between 2 other cars, and you can't get nose to jump them. So sometimes you have to pull up behind them, and if you just have little Toys R Us 5-foot cables, it's not going to work. So you need to get at least 15 or 20-foot cables to cover you for all situations. And then thickness-wise, especially for those longer cables, you have to have enough thickness or gauge for the wires inside. If they're too thin, A, you may not even be able to jump start a vehicle. It might just not turn over. Or B, they could heat up so much that they start melting. So my recommendation, if you're gonna get a 15-foot set of jumper cables, at least have 4-gauge wire. I'm gonna put a link in the description for a set that I think is really good, and it's not too expensive. Now, when it comes to using jumper cables, a lot of people get confused about which clamp goes where, which color first. We made a really good video breaking this down, simplifying it. You can check that out in the link above. Now, the 5th product, this Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit by 3M. Now, if you've got a used car, you're gonna deal with fading headlights because they're all made out of plastic, they oxidize and they turn yellow and they get all foggy. And for me, foggy headlights just are a big eyesore. Makes a car look really old in my opinion. We actually featured this product on a couple different videos, comparing it to not only top restoration brands, but also some popular home remedies. And every time it came out on top. So the kit is really complete. It comes with everything that you need, even gloves and tape to mask off other areas of the car. All you need to do is provide the drill. Another cool thing, and the reason I like it, is it claims to last a whole lot longer than any of the other products that I've tested. Now, I've personally used this kit a ton, and it's always given me really good results. So it's gonna make a great gift for anyone that has a used car and is absolutely gonna need to restore their headlights at some point. And if you want to see those comparison videos, I'll include the links. In one of them, I actually tried using an orange and baking soda to clean headlights, so you're not going to want to miss that. Now, this last product does cost a little bit more, but you get a lot of bang for your buck. It's this little Bluetooth car scanner by Bololan, and it's actually called the Eiag Elite. And I was actually really impressed with this. If you're not familiar with how these work, it's a little dongle that you plug into the OBD2 port on your car, and it connects to your phone by Bluetooth. And you can read any of your car's codes, as well as a lot of pro features on this one, which you would normally expect to find on tablet scanners. But for a very low price, you can read codes, you can see live data, you can do bidirectional control, airbags, brake systems. It does it all for a very low price of $85. Now, if you want to see this thing in action, we made a really great video covering the features of this scanner. And again, I was just very impressed by not only the layout, but its functionality. As cars are getting more complex and computerized these days, a car scanner is really becoming an essential part of any DIY toolbox. That's why this makes a great gift, because it's got all the pro features, but it is really streamlined, easy to throw in your glove box, and would fit easily inside of a stocking. Now, if you really want to blow someone's mind and get all the products we've talked about here, we have created the 2025 Shine and Survive basket on Amazon. So exciting! So you can get all those products with one click of a button down in the description. And if you want to see me test that Bluetooth scanner, check out the comparison video right here.